Hello and welcome to Everyday English Treats. Today's word of the day is exceptional. Let's discover what this powerful word means. Exceptional means extremely good or much better than average. It is often used to describe outstanding people, achievements, skills, or performance. Here's an example. Her exceptional leadership inspired the entire team to achieve outstanding results. This means her leadership was excellent and motivated everyone to succeed. Now it's your turn. Can you create your own sentence using the word exceptional? Comment down below. Happy learning with Everyday English Treats. Until next time, take care and keep practicing your English. Learn a little, speak a little, and grow a little every day. See you soon!